Hey everyone! With superior parts usually seen in high-end models, the OneSport OT07 is a feature-rich electric bike that is significantly more reasonably priced. My wife and I had the chance to try this e-bike extensively over the previous month, and it's safe to say that it made a lasting impression. This is a summary of our experience. The Bafang M200 mid-drive motor, which powers the OT07 with 250 watts and produces an amazing 65 Newton-meters of torque, is its central component. Whether you're navigating headwinds, climbing severe hills, or simply touring the city, this combination makes for smooth, powerful rides. The entire pleasant riding experience is enhanced by the motor's whisper-quiet operation. The handlebar's user-friendly Bafang LCD display allows you to simply control the 5 pedal aid levels, which allow you to tailor the amount of support you require. It is very user-friendly because the display shows speed, battery life, and assist mode in real time. The OT07's battery is yet another advantageous feature. Under optimal circumstances, the bike's range of 70 to 90 kilometers is provided by its 36 volts, 10.4 ampere-hours battery. The range really decreases to about 60 kilometers in colder weather, but it is still plenty for the majority of commuting and leisure excursions. It just takes 5 to 6 hours to fully recharge, and because the battery is detachable, charging indoors is practical. One of the bike's best qualities is its comfort. Even across car-sized speed bumps or rough terrain, the suspension fork provides a smooth ride because of its exceptional shock and bump absorption capabilities. Longer rides are more pleasurable thanks to the ergonomic saddle's breathable, hollow shape, which lowers pressure and enhances ventilation. In addition to adding a luxurious touch, leather grips lessen hand fatigue from prolonged use. The OT07 places a high priority on safety. The bike can be brought to a complete stop from 25 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 meters, thanks to the dependable and efficient stopping power provided by the hydraulic disc brakes. Visibility in dimly lit or wet conditions is guaranteed by the brilliant LED headlights and taillights. Whether you're riding on flat ground or climbing hills, the Shimano 7-speed gear system adds versatility by making it simple to change speeds. Even on damp roads, the bike's 27.5 by 4.5-inch tires with fluorescent sidewalls offer superior grip, a sturdy platform, and increased safety. The OT07's design is both fashionable and useful. My wife really liked how easy it was to mount and dismount thanks to its low-step frame. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame, which comes in stylish black or white, provides durability without compromising portability. A well-considered addition, the rear rack is ideal for transporting panniers, groceries, and other necessities. Following a month of testing, the OT07 has gained popularity for both leisurely rides and commutes. Every journey is made delightful by its superb comfort, smart design, and quiet yet powerful mid-drive powertrain. The fast brakes and seamless gear switches delighted me, and my wife praised the comfort and ease of usage. The OneSport OT07 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable, fashionable, and feature-rich e-bike at a competitive price. This e-bike is a trustworthy partner, whether you're riding it on a quiet weekend or negotiating congested metropolitan streets. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.